Throughout my practice, when you think about how technology evolves, I've always been one who's so curious and so passionate about evolving the field in ophthalmology. And that's no different for oculoplastic surgery. And it's so interesting as you look at oculoplastic surgery, how everyone has their specific techniques, but there hasn't been a ton of change or innovation in this space. And so when I heard about the Ziplyft and how it could minimize bruising and be a sutureless procedure for my patients, I got really excited about getting on board. With any technology, there comes a learning curve. I've seen that over time with cataract surgery, with minimally invasive glaucoma surgery, and oculoplastics is no different. It takes time to really understand the anatomy and how to get the best results. But I was absolutely surprised that it only took a few patients to start feeling comfortable with utilizing the Ziplyft. I think patients want options when it comes to surgery. They've researched online, they've looked at different options when it comes to, what surgeon they're going to go with, when it comes to what's best for them. And oculoplastic surgery is no different. I have a lot of patients that come in and they want to understand what their options are going to be to look more refreshed and rejuvenated. And that's where they get excited about the Ziplyft. When we think about what the typical blepharoplasty looks like, we are making an incision and utilizing sutures. And so that 1 week downtime can be arduous for patients. But in my experience with the Ziplyft, to have minimal bleeding, minimal bruising, as well as no sutures used, patients were really excited that they could go back in less time to work in daily activities. As an ophthalmologist, I am so passionate and get so excited about educating others when it comes to different techniques in our space and field. When it comes to oculoplastics, many doctors may shy away because of the art it takes and because of the length of time it takes to do an upper lid blepharoplasty. And that's why it's so exciting to have devices like the Ziplyft, where it's very beautiful and elegant and straightforward when it comes to how to use the device. And when you're thinking about a patient that comes in for cataract surgery, you see it all the time. They have dermatochalasis. And to be a surgeon that can actually say, hey, have you thought about lid surgery, and have a device that is so elegant and precise is exciting. And so I would encourage our colleagues to really look into getting into this space that maybe have been on the sidelines, or those who want a device that takes a little less time, as well as allows your patients to get back to normal activity with minimal bruising and swelling, and to give it a try.